Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the payment decline error in Amazon Shopping app in 2026. A payment decline error message can be frustrating, especially when everything looks correct. In 2026, this error is most often caused by bank restriction or card limits, not Amazon itself. Now, as you can see in this picture, this might be the error you're encountering. As you can see, it says payment declined. You're gonna update, it tells you to update your payment method. Now let's follow these few simple steps to fix this issue. And before we start, the Amazon app is both available on Android and iOS devices. You can download it via the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. Now let's go back to our topic and fix this issue. You're gonna go first to your Amazon Shopping app and then you're gonna check the available balance. Ensure sufficient funds and verify daily spending limits. Now, these steps, you're gonna apply them in your bank app or with your bank account. You're gonna access the bank app and then you're gonna make sure you have sufficient funds. Once you do that, you're gonna verify the card informations. Even one incorrect digits can cause a decline. Make sure to verify the credentials and the digits and the CVV code, etc., the bank code, the verification code, etc. And also, if that doesn't work, try calling your bank. Banks often block online or international transactions, so ask them to approve Amazon payments, or you can activate it by accessing your bank app. You can also use different payment options by trying another card, another gift card balance, or Amazon store balance. Now, payment decline are usually security related. Once your bank confirms the transaction, Amazon payments works normally again. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.